Hello everybody, this is George with Melnix Automotive. Today I'm working on a 2011 Cadillac Srx 4. I just replaced 4 tire pressure monitor sensors and I'm going to show you how to learn them. They look like this, they're inside your wheels. Always recommended replacing all 4 of them at the same time. And I'm going to show you how you could go ahead and learn it. I'll be using ATEQ VT55. You can turn ignition on. As a matter of fact, the vehicle is running in my case. It does not really matter, but service manual will say just turn ignition on. You want to go ahead and apply a parking brake. So I'm going to turn the steering wheel this way so I could show you what's going on. Alright, on the driver's side, on the left side, there's a menu button. You want to go ahead and hit that menu button, and we're going to use this to go up and down. Look at my screen here, oil remaining, and there's my tire pressure light. As you can see now, the sensors are reading right now. Right at the end, you press and you hold it for about 5 seconds, and you're going to get a message. Are you sure you want to relearn? We're going to use this up and down arrow. We're going to select yes. As you heard, the horn came off and honked, and it says tire learning active. So now I'm going to walk outside. If you don't have a scan tool, it's not a big deal. With the scan tool, it's easier with a TPMS scan tool. But what you could do, you could just start releasing the air out of the tire, and that will also trigger it. But in my case, I'll be using VT55. So we're going to trigger come on, service. Give me a second, Cadillac. Okay, so as you can see, my parking light came on. Side marker light come on. Once I trigger this wheel, it'll honk. And the passenger side, as you can see, the turn signal went off, but it came on the passenger side right here. And the side marker light. Now I'm going to trigger this one. And you see that? Light went off. And the light came on the back of your passenger side. Basically, you got to go in a clockwise pattern. Bingo. And now the light is on here. We're going to trigger this one. Alright. It says learning completed. Now you can see every single wheel is reading 38 psi. If you're not using a scan tool to trigger them, if you're just releasing the air, you're going to have to reinflate the tires. But in my case, I'm going to go take it for a little test drive, and I'm going to show you that this little yellow light will be out. Alright, so I just basically pulled out of the garage and made it to the end of the drive, and the light went off. So that's it for this video. This was George with Melnix Automotive. Thank you for watching.